Welcome to episode 3 of Basic UI in Unity. In the last episode we created this button you could hit and it then displayed this text. And in this episode we'll look further into texts and how we can manipulate them. So let's get started. So in our last episode we created this hard text, and let's say we wanted to change this text using code. Well, let me show you how you could do that. So we already have this hard button script, and let's open that up. Where when we click the button, it will just set the text active. But let's say we also wanted to change the text to something else. Then we no longer could use a game object as the reference for the text. We would need a TextMeshPro. So we would actually need a library. So right up here we would write using TMPro. And down here we would add another public variable, which would be a TextMeshPro GUI. And we could actually call this one text instead and remove the first one. And instead of doing text right here, we would do text.transform.gameObject, and that would give us the game object of the text. But now we have a TextMeshPro GUI instead, so we can now manipulate the text. So we could do text.text equals, and we could write whatever text we wanted. So we would just add some citation marks, and then we could write whatever we wanted. So let's say we wanted to write hello world or something. Well, if we now went back into Unity, and if we look on the text right now, it says you click the heart. And one thing we just need to check real quick is that the text is still set. So you can see it's set right here. But if we try to hit play, and we click on the heart text just to look at the text right here, right now it says you click the heart. But as soon as I click the heart, it changes to hello world using the code we just wrote. So that's a small look on how we can manipulate UI texts. And yeah, that's all for this video. See you tomorrow for the next episode, where I'll teach you about toggles. So see you then.